Hey, good Thursday morning, everyone. Real quick video update for you on the cold and then the weekend. Let's start with the cold. Temperatures this morning dropped a little below zero in a lot of the area, and here in the 9 o'clock hour, we're within a degree on either side of zero in most of the region. And look at all the cold that's out across the Great Lakes, the Midwest. Could be worse. It's minus 35 up here along the U.S.-Canadian border in Minnesota this morning. So lots and lots of pretty remarkable cold. I'm going to throw up the wind chills real quick here. Locally, wind chill at 14 below here in Youngstown this morning. It feels like 17 below Akron, Canton. That's an 18 below over towards the Pittsburgh area. So no surprise, this is what we've been talking about all week. It is harshly cold and blustery out there. Wind chills tomorrow morning will be even worse. And this is the zone we're kind of in today as far as wind chills go, close to zero, winds 10 to 15, so the wind chill in the teens below zero. Your frostbite times are highlighted down here, and so frostbite can occur in as little as a half an hour in some of these types of conditions, and maybe even 15 to 20 minutes tomorrow morning with the temperatures and the wind chills. All right, heading towards the weekend. This remains a tough forecast for the weekend. I'm going to start things off here with Saturday morning with light snow probably breaking out. We've got a strong warm front heading our way. The big question for the forecast over the weekend is how far north does this warm front get? If it gets far enough north, I should say, we'll change over rain Saturday night. If it doesn't quite make it as far north as it could, we might see mixed precipitation or it might just stay snow. It's a tough forecast still. I think the best chance for steady snow that impacts the roads will be Saturday midday and afternoon. Then as we head towards Saturday night, that's when the tough forecast comes in. Does it change over to rain or not? This is Saturday evening. Notice the rain's down towards the Ohio River, probably still snowing or trying to snow around the valley. Now the latest GFS, which I'm showing you here, doesn't really change it over to rain like previous runs of this model did. There's still a lot of disagreement amongst the models as to if and when we get that changeover. Gut feeling right now for the weekend, we get a few inches of snow Saturday afternoon into the evening, even starting Saturday morning, I should say, but probably the worst of it Saturday afternoon and evening. Gut feeling is there's some sort of mixed precipitation Saturday night. Might not go over to rain, but at least some sleet, maybe some freezing rain. And then all of this pulls away with improving conditions on Sunday. That's my gut feeling at the moment, but I'm not sold on that forecast. Would like to see a little more agreement amongst our computer models. And real quick look at the long-range temperatures. We have two more shots of cold coming before this pattern breaks. This is the current shot right here that we're in right now. It's going to warm up over the weekend. And then Monday looks real cold, probably the single digits. Probably bob up close to 20 ahead of the next Arctic front Tuesday and Wednesday. And then behind that, these numbers might be too high at the end of next week. They could be more in the lower teens for daytime highs. So one shot coming Monday, the next harsh Arctic shot coming towards the end of next week. And then finally, as we head towards March, I am encouraged by the signs that while it's not a warm pattern, it's a better pattern trying to take shape as we head into meteorological spring on March 1st. Much more on weather for Weather Geeks this afternoon, and of course, a full update on 21 News tonight at 6 and 11. I'll see you then.